Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Altima, and I'm going to show you today how to turn on and off your blind spot assistance should your model be equipped with that. So the vehicle's on currently, and then we're going to look to the left here, and we'll see these buttons, but right below you're going to see these four areas, and this particular vehicle right here is the blind spot assistance. So it basically, if you get really close to something, it'll beep in some way to notify you. So you just push it to turn it on or to turn it off. On and off. And you'll even see it change up here as you're pushing. I don't need it on, so mine's off, but a lot of people like it. And if, like I've maybe mentioned, if this doesn't have any symbols or anything, you probably don't have that equipped in your particular model. But anyways, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a great day.